Hey there foodies, craving something delicious and quick? Let's dive into an easy beef and mushroom stir-fry. First, let's get our ingredients ready. Slice 2 cups of mushrooms and 1 small onion and mince 3 garlic cloves. Easy, right? Next, heat up a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add a tablespoon of vegetable oil and brown 500 grams of ground beef until it's no longer pink. Set it aside for now. In the same skillet, sauté your onions for a minute or two. Toss in the garlic and mushrooms and cook until those mushrooms are tender and juicy, about 4 to 5 minutes. Time to bring it all together. Return the beef to the skillet. Mix in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and a pinch of black pepper. If you like a thicker sauce, add a cornstarch slurry now. Finally, serve your delicious stir-fry over a bowl of rice or noodles. Garnish with green onions and sesame seeds and voila! Enjoy your quick and flavorful meal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share. Happy cooking!